If a great genius of our time, Steve Jobs, can be fired from Apple, the company he created from scratch, then it can happen with almost anyone. Therefore, not a single day goes in the life of a salaried person without thinking about the probable threat of job loss. At times, such fears keep the ball rolling and make people work harder. But if the thought of job loss interferes in almost every financial decision of your life, then don't you think that it is high time to address this issue? Therefore, by the end of this video, we shall explore 3 types of job losses, how to calculate an exact amount to financially free from each of these fears, frequently asked questions, FAQs, and the summary. Together, let's go into the depth of this topic with simple explanation and easy financial solutions. Hi folks, I'm your host Jitendra Shrivastav, based in Dubai, UAE. We are independent financial planners and wealth managers since the last 20 years. This channel is part of our mission to ensure basic financial awareness for every individual at no cost. The horror of job loss or business loss is so intense that it not only affects the health of an individual but also influences important financial decisions like investments or buying something significant. But is there only one type of job loss? I have divided job losses in 3 unique types: temporary, unexpected, and permanent job loss. All these types are very different from each other. Let's understand about each of these as a smart investor. Type 1, temporary job loss. It is due to layoffs. In straight words, it occurs when the company asks an employee to leave the organization. This fear may be hovering around people's mind most of the time, but actually it may never take place. Or if it has to happen, then let's check what would be the consequences. This situation has an impact on the psychological and financial side as well. One may strongly feel what people will say if I will lose my job. On the financial side of it, in most cases, the person is without salary for 6 months and in few for up to 2 years. People are unable to pay back loans and other necessary monthly bills. We shall further discuss on how to calculate the exact amount needed to financially handle all 3 situations in the bonus section. Type 2, unexpected job loss. It is not because the employer asks an employee to leave, but this type of forced job loss occurs due to critical illness or disability. A critical illness is like cancer, heart ailment, and so on. The disability could be due to an accident or sickness. It is kind of situation where you cannot continue to work physically. So what could be the probable consequences? Indeed, this situation brings impact on the psychological and financial side besides health issues. The financial side of this situation is to arrange monthly expenses for 4 to 5 years or more. Finding a new job will take some more time till partial health recovery takes place. Type 3, permanent job loss. As you may know, this situation occurs when someone dies while he or she is still a breadwinner for the family in the age group of 30 to 60 years. Actually, everyone knows about this risk, but only a few take action to mitigate it. Maybe it is due to lack of immediate gratification, procrastination, or sheer ignorance. They keep closing eyes from it and leave it to their destiny. The height of ignorance is their comment that nothing will happen to me. So what could be the consequences in type 3 situation? This is a sudden and permanent job loss, so there is no finite duration. The situation brings major impact on financial side for immediate family till their lifetime. We shall explore the actual calculation of financial needs to mitigate the risk for each type of job loss soon. But before that, one must decide whether he or she wants to remain in the state of fear or helplessness with these 3 types of job loss situations, or would like to plan and achieve financial liberation from all. With this, we move to the bonus section. Here, we shall be calculating the actual financial requirements to prepare for each of the 3 types of job losses. The first one, which is temporary job loss, occurs due to layoffs. To deal with this situation financially, you would need minimum 6 months to 24 months of expenses as lump sum money. Let's take an example. If you spend $2,000 per month, then total maximum amount needed for 24 months is $48,000 as emergency fund. Keep this amount in short-term investments saved and available all the time. You can check our videos about ideas on how to save and invest money. Remember to keep a medical insurance policy to cover the risk of sudden medical expenses. Our full video on financial freedom will help you to get an insight on becoming your own boss and achieve permanent financial independence. In the second situation, which is unexpected job loss due to critical illness or disability, you must have an arrangement of 4 to 5 years future expenses. It can be easily calculated similar to previous example. The type 3 is permanent job loss due to unfortunate death of breadwinner. For general calculation, one must keep an arrangement of 20 to 25 years future family expenses. However, the best method to find actual amount required is by adding all the loan amounts to pay and future family expenses. For example, monthly household payment, kids' higher education and marriage, parents' care and retirement expenses for spouse. You may calculate it yourself or take help from an unbiased and independent financial advisor to plan it properly. This amount may be very big. So, if one cannot arrange this much money immediately, then it is a financially intelligent decision to take an appropriate life insurance policy of equivalent amount. Policy cover should not be lower than the calculated amount because it will be of no use. You may seek our help to save on the cost of taking a special insurance policy where all the money paid as premiums could be returned after the policy term is over. People ask tons of questions on this topic. Hereby, we provide the FAQs, frequently asked questions, with our answers in the description box. Do check them out. In fact, if you have any personal questions or need our unbiased support, then contact us on our coordinates displayed here and given in the description. We are available with prior appointment via email, WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Quora. Now here comes the summary of today's topic. There will always be uncertainty associated with employment. Therefore, we would like to reiterate the importance of proactive financial preparation for the job loss. One must understand that there are 3 types of job losses which are separate from each other and may occur with anyone at any time. And if you can meticulously plan as a smart investor for each of these type of job losses, then there is no need to be having sleepless nights or horror of job loss. Now in our segment, last but not the least, here is a simple financial quote for you. We close our eyes and avoid taking important financial decisions now by giving several reasons. But when tough time comes, we cannot go back to correct these financial mistakes. If you liked this video, then give a thumbs up to our creative team. To get new videos regularly, do subscribe for free and share the video link with your friends. In our videos, we explore secrets of personal finance with simple explanations and easy methods to implement. Here are selected videos for you to watch. Thank you for your time. Stay healthy and wealthy as a smart investor. See you soon.